So I'm going to show you how to torque down the flywheel to spec, and this is what I'm using to lock the whole assembly down. You don't want the crank assembly rotating while you're trying to lock it down. To remove the flywheel, use a hammer and a crowbar to break the taper. Use the crowbar to apply pressure and use the hammer to hit it. Before I lock it in there, I'm going to install a 8-degree flywheel key to offset the timing. Take this off. Pop the key off. Just pop it in. And tap it with the hammer. And just put your flywheel back in. Put your fan back on. Put your cup back in. And we're going to torque it down with the torque wrench. And we're going to set it at 54 foot-pounds. Don't forget to rotate the recoil assembly for a mini bike. Put in the right orientation. And that's how you torque a flywheel and install a advanced timing key on a Predator 224. Same as a 212. Same process.